Hi everyone, I'm Doc Kent and welcome to Chapter 4 of the Living in the IT Era entitled Classifications and Types of Computer. So, what are the learning outcomes for this chapter? One is to identify the classifications of computers, and two, to describe the different types of computers. Why computer is so powerful? A computer is a powerful tool because it is able to perform the information processing cycle operations such as input, process, output, and storage with amazing speed, reliability, and accuracy, store huge amount of data and information, and communicate with other computers, also known as SCAR, speed, communication, accuracy, reliability, and consistency. Computers allow users to generate correction information quickly, hold the information so it is available at any time, and share the information with other computer users. The world's fastest computer can perform trillions of operations in 1 second. The highly reliability of computer components enables the computer to produce consistent results. Computers process large amount of data and generate error-free results, provided that the data is inputted correctly and the instruction work properly. Lastly, we are using computers for us to have a medium of communication, connection, and connect other devices from information storage and instruction. Computers can be classified based on size and computing power. However, as technology advances, these classifications tend to overlap as modern computers have become smaller, yet more powerful and relatively cheaper. So we have Piwo Mimaso, personal computer, workstation, mini computer, mainframe, and supercomputer. First, let's talk about personal computer. Personal computer can be defined as a small, relatively inexpensive computer designed for an individual user. It has monitor, keyboard, and storage devices. A good example of this is a desktop computer. Next, workstation. A workstation is a computer intended for individual use that is faster and more capable than a personal computer. It is intended for business or professional use rather than home or recreational use. This is usually based in the business for video surveillance monitoring or for CCTV purposes. Next, mini computer. Mini computer or a computer of medium power, more than a microcomputer but less than a mainframe. Mini computer is smaller, less expensive, and less powerful than a mainframe or supercomputer, but more expensive and more powerful than a personal computer. Mini computers are used for scientific and engineering computations, business transaction processing, file handling, and database management, and are often now referred to as a small or mid-sized server. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is best platform to execute millions of transactions in every single second. So mainframe computer are used in the large-scale organization because they have to need for processing the massive data at once in every second. This computer is usually used by business companies. There are some companies which are used to mainframe computer systems such as Walmart, Coca-Cola, Ford, BMW, Nike, Accenture, and many more. Lastly, supercomputer. One of the world's most powerful supercomputers represents NASA's state-of-the-art technology for meeting the agency's supercomputing requirements, enabling NASA scientists and engineers to conduct modeling and simulation for NASA's project. A supercomputer is a leading edge of data processing capability with respect to calculation speed. Supercomputer is also used in weathering forecasting. The difference between supercomputer and mainframe is that supercomputers are used for scientific and engineering problem, high performance computing, which crunch numbers and data, while mainframes focus on transaction processing. Computers can also be identified in several types. These types have been identified due to the introduction of mobile devices and the proliferation of internet-capable devices. Specialized computers are now also classified according to specific users. So what are the types of computers? Just remember the acronym DELATA SWS. Desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone, wearable, smart TV. First, let's talk about desktop computer. A desktop computer is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk or table due to its size and power requirements. Desktop computers are commonly used in the household and enterprise as well as in consumer use cases such as gaming. Laptop computer. Laptop computer is a small, portable, and battery-powered computer device, small enough that it can sit on your lap. Nowadays, laptop computers are more frequently called notebook computers. One of the biggest advantages of laptop is that they allow students to access information wherever they can get an internet connection. With more places offering free Wi-Fi, getting an internet connection is easier than ever. This accessibility allows students to study whenever they have the time, no matter where they are. Next, tablet computers. Tablet computers are handheld computers. It gives you portability, ease of use, and the ability to easily copy or share your works quickly and easily. It may not be your go-to studio, but it's a great tool to have at your disposal for creative tasks, whether it's making music, digital painting, or creative writing. Smartphone. A smartphone is a cell phone that allows you to do more than make phone calls and send text messages. Smartphones can browse the internet and run software programs like a computer. Smartphones use a touchscreen to allow users to interact with them. Next, wearables. Wearable technology provides us with the ability to monitor our fitness levels, track our location with GPS, and view text messages more quickly. Best of all, this device allows us to do hand-free and portable, eliminating the need to take our devices out of our pockets. A good example of this is smartwatch. Lastly, smart TVs. Smart TVs are latest television sets that include applications present in computers. The main benefit of a smart TV is access to a large number of channels that offer TV programs, movies, and music without the need to connect a TV antenna or subscribe to a cable satellite service. Also, some smart TV provide web browsing, gaming, and access to compatible media content stored on your computer.